Looking for a versatile and aromatic houseplant to liven up your indoor space? Look no further than the lemon balm plant. With its vibrant green leaves and a refreshing citrus scent, lemon balm is an excellent choice for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners alike. In this article, we'll delve into the world of lemon balm and explore why it deserves a special place in your home. Aesthetic appeal. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, features attractive, heart-shaped leaves that add a touch of elegance to any room. Its lush foliage brings a vibrant pop of green, creating a soothing and visually appealing atmosphere in your living space. Whether placed on a windowsill, a shelf, or as part of a larger indoor garden, lemon balm adds a touch of natural beauty to your home decor. Refreshing aroma. One of the standout qualities of the lemon balm plant is its delightful fragrance. When you brush against its leaves or gently rub them between your fingers, you'll be greeted with a burst of invigorating lemon scent. This natural aroma acts as a mood booster and can help create a calm and relaxing environment. Simply having lemon balm in your home can make it feel more welcoming and inviting. Culinary delights. Beyond its aesthetic and aromatic appeal, lemon balm is also a versatile culinary herb. Its leaves can be used to infuse a lemony flavor into a variety of dishes and beverages. Add a handful of fresh leaves to your favorite tea blend for a zesty twist, or chop them up and sprinkle them over salads and desserts. Lemon balm can also be used to create flavorful oils, syrups, and extracts, making it a valuable addition to any home kitchen. Medicinal benefits. Lemon balm has been treasured for its medicinal properties for centuries. It is known for its calming and stress-relieving effects, making it an ideal herbal remedy for anxiety and restlessness. The plant is also believed to have antiviral properties, aiding in the relief of cold sores and other viral infections. Additionally, lemon balm tea is often used to promote digestion and ease indigestion or bloating. Easy to care for. If you're new to indoor gardening or don't have a green thumb, lemon balm is an excellent choice. It is a low-maintenance plant that thrives in a variety of conditions. Lemon balm prefers a sunny spot but can tolerate partial shade as well. It requires regular watering, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. With proper care, your lemon balm plant will flourish and reward you with its beautiful foliage and refreshing aroma. In conclusion, the lemon balm houseplant is a delightful addition to any home. From its aesthetic appeal and refreshing aroma to its culinary uses and medicinal benefits, this versatile herb has much to offer. By introducing lemon balm into your indoor space, you not only enhance the beauty of your home but also invite a sense of tranquility and well-being. So why wait? Bring the invigorating charm of lemon balm into your home today and enjoy its many benefits.